Hello everybody, it's Eric Freeze, and today we're going to be making a video of this 30-inch Harbor Breeze Typhoon ceiling fan. It probably helped if I actually plugged it in. It's on. Oh, the Evergo's on. Kind of need it on, it's hot in here. Well, that's what it looks like with the light off. Slow speed. Out of the two Harbor Breeze Typhoons I have, this is the one that's in a better condition. The other one's actually right here on the floor. I actually did not get any globes with these. I got these all as is. These things were actually pretty dirty. This globe's off of my Harbor Breeze Armitage, which is actually, surprisingly, that fan moves less air than this one. Medium speed. This one wobbles pretty bad on high. This high speed, this thing actually does put off a lot of air though for a small fan. Here, spin down. The bearings on this one are actually quite good. I think they were kind of junky when I got it, but I've actually had this one up in the bedroom for a few months now. I like it. Pretty much I kind of wanted something else up here since the home trends didn't really work so well. When that generic Taiwanese thing took it down, I put up the home trends. The home trends came in contact with the door, so I wanted to get that one replaced ASAP. So I had this, I threw this up. I honestly considered putting back up to Castaway 52, but this is what I put up instead. But the air movement on this is actually quite good, so I really like it. It's actually quite warm in this bedroom. It's about 77 degrees Fahrenheit. After this, we'll go do low speed on the wall choke with its fan speed setting being high. There's our low speed on the wall choke. And then there's also interference from the Evergo. The Evergo is also set to high, and the Evergo is located above the camera. It's just hot in here, and I like having another ceiling fan on. So there's low speed. And I'm just gonna slowly go through all the speeds on the wall choke. High speed. Here's low speed. Here's our very low. Also, if you ever go on high speed. Actually has a really nice very low. medium low. Nice hunter low. Does wobble a bit. Here's medium. Medium high. And high, which is just low. Already did spin down. No need to do reverse, it's the same thing, but the fan's spinning in an opposite direction. Thank you very much for watching.